see on Deelishis in those yummy tummies. So, have you ever had that day or that week where you had your schedule made out, but you never actually hit any of those marks? Especially as a woman, a working woman, and a mom of 2. Well, my nieces are included, sometimes 10. That means I didn't go to the grocery store, but I have everything but the kitchen sink inside of my refrigerator, and guess what? I gotta make a smoothie with it. Everything but the kitchen sink. It has everything in it but the kitchen sink. But most of these things you have right in your refrigerator, especially during the summer, fall months. You have watermelon, you have strawberries. I love strawberries. I'm lucky to have any left with my kids around. So how is your day going? People worry sometimes about putting in the apples with the seeds. The seeds is where you get the healthy stuff, or the skin. You can keep that on there too. Throw some blueberries, a few raspberries. Believe it or not, some pineapple. That's gonna add a sweetener to it, okay? You can even add orange slice or 2. I'm gonna throw in a few of these grapes. And we can't go without the green. You know Deelishis always say, go green. Green is good. Don't be afraid of the green. Think of wealth and health. And health is wealth. So let's include our ice. And think of this as a treat as well. Like I said, instead of cookies and caramel and chocolate, you can do this right here, right at home. Body Complete RX is gonna, aid you with that sweet tooth. And you'll feel good about it at the end of the day. Scoop a day, keeps those fat cells away. All right, we're gonna get it blended. Kids are screaming. All right, taste test. You guys know how this goes. Pick it up, pour it inside. So what do you want to really taste out of this? You want strawberries? You want to taste the pineapples, the apples? Or how about everything? Everything but the kitchen sink. All right, we see you back here in the Body Complete RX kitchen really soon. Keep it delicious.